welcome back to ZenTalks, where we decode Zoho Books one question at a time. And I'm your host Deepthi, and today we have a very special episode lined up. Not only are we going to discuss the Zoho Books product updates for 2026, but we are also going to show you a live stream demo of one of the most exciting features in the release. To help us break this down, we have Mr. Vijey with us, our in-house Zoho Books expert. Hello Vijay, welcome back to ZenTalks.
Hi Deepthi, always happy to be here. And yes, so this month's update has something every business owner is going to be loving, because we'll be walking them through the new profit margin sales for the sales transaction feature, which is directly inside the Zoho Books. So stay tuned.
So perfect. Let's jump right in, Vijay, then. Give us a quick overview on what April 2026 brings to the table.
Sure, Deepthi. So this release is focused on three big themes, like the automation, compliance, and the business intelligence. To make it easy for the audience, we can segment them into banking and reconciliation, tax and compliance, profit margin, automation and workflows, reporting, and UX.
Okay, so first things first, let's start with the banking. So what's new there?
Sure. So Zoho Books has enhanced its bank reconciliation engine with a smarter matching algorithms. So multi-currency auto matching is now more accurate. Bank feed stability has improved, and you can now bulk categorize the uncategorized transactions using the existing rules.
So if I'm not wrong, that's a huge time saver for the financial teams,
Absolutely, right? So and at Zentegra, we are already helping clients set them up these smart rules.
Okay, that's good. So what about the compliance then?
So talking about compliance, so region-specific updates across the board, improved GST e-invoicing validation for India, updated VAT return formats for UAE and Saudi Arabia, and streamlined 1099 reporting for the US, and compliance is now truly baked into daily workflows.
Okay Vijay, so that's being said, let's move forward, and I believe this is the moment everyone's been waiting for. So let's talk about the profit margin for sales transaction future.
Right.
So why is this such a big deal? There are so many updates in the Zoho Books as well, so why this one is standing out?
So Deepthi, this is a game-changing update. So until now, business owners had to wait for month-end reports to understand whether their sales were actually profitable or how was it. Okay. So with this new feature, Zoho Books calculates and displays the profit margin in real time. The right on sales transaction screen, whether it's an invoice, sales, a sales order, or a quotation, everything you see it in one screen.
So you know your profit the moment you send the invoice. You don't have to wait the month end.
That's right. Okay. And the best way to understand it is to see it in action. Let's switch to the screen now. Have you ever closed a sales deal thinking you made a profit, but later realized the margin was too low for or even negative? So that's exactly where the profit margin feature helps you, by giving you a real-time visibility while creating sales transactions. So before using the profit margin feature in your sales transaction, we first need to enable the settings. So let's go to the settings. Let's start clicking on the setting, then navigate to the general settings. Under the general settings, you will find the option for profit margin. So simply enable this option to start tracking profit margins in your transactions. So once enabled, the system will automatically calculate profit margins based on item cost, selling price, discounts applied. This means while creating a quotation, sale order, or invoice, you will get the real-time visibility for your profit and margin percentage. So make sure to enable this setting before you start using this feature, so you never miss out tracking out your profits. Now let's see how it actually works. So first, let's create an invoice or a sale order or a quotation. Add an item to this, for example, laptop. Enter the selling price, apply the discount. Now, notice here, you can see the profit and margin percentage updating in real time. As I increase the discount, see how the margin drops. This helps you decide immediately whether the deal is profitable. This feature helps you avoid negative or low profit sales, make better pricing decisions instantly, maintain healthy profit margins, analyze margins in report as well. So next time when you create a quotation, sale order, or an invoice, don't just focus on closing the deal. Make sure you're closing a profitable deal. So that's the power of profit margin feature.
Wow, Vijay, that was really insightful. Okay, so seeing the profit margin update in real time as items were added is just really brilliant.
Right. And think about the impact. Your sales reps can negotiate smarter, your finance team has instant visibility, and the business owners can make data driven decisions on the pricing just like that. And no more waiting for the month end reports.
And I believe this is exactly the kind of feature that separates Zoho Books from the other traditional accounting books, right?
Absolutely. And at Zentegra, we already are helping the clients to configure their cost price, marginable thresholds, and role based access to make the most of this feature.
Okay. So as always, what's up with the automation?
Yes, talking about the automation, we have expanded custom functions, workflow rules, deeper Zoho Flow integrations across 900 plus apps, and new workflow triggers are partial payments, credit notes, and recurring invoice cycles.
And on reporting and user experience, what changed this time?
So the customizable dashboards, improved the cash flow forecasting, a new vendor aging summary, faster loaded times, and new keyboard shortcuts, and revamped mobile app experience. So small changes, but the big boost to productivity.
That's really nice, Vijay. So as we wrap up, what's your key takeaway from April 2026 updates?
So my key takeaway will be like with the features like real-time profit margins on sales transactions, Zoho Books is no longer just an accounting software. It's becoming a real-time business intelligence platform for the finance and sales team alike. And if you want to help setting up this, configuring the cost price, margin alerts, user permissions, and custom reports, that's where Zentegra, your advanced Zoho partner, is stepping in.
Okay, beautifully said, Vijay. So thank you so much for walking us through these updates, and especially for the profit margin one, the live demo. And to our listeners, if you like to see how the profit margin feature and other April 2026 updates can transform your business, reach out to Zentegra or visit our website www.zbooksmigration.com, and our team will be happy to help you anytime. Until next time, this is Deepthi and Vijay signing off.
See you.
I don't have any documents prepared for today's meeting.
Die.
Hui.